Today, we are opening a massive box of history. This is the legendary New Zealand Mint 1-ounce pure silver Warriors of History series. We have 6 of the world's most brutal armies cast in 99.9% fine silver with stunning antique color finishes. Let's dive straight in. First up, the Spartans. Struck as a $2 Niue legal tender coin, this piece honors ancient Greece's ultimate military state. Trained from age 7 in the brutal Agoge system, Spartan soldiers were engineered to never retreat in battle, famously holding off vast armies at Thermopylae. Spartans did not use walls to defend their city. They proudly claimed their fierce warriors were their walls. Next is the first ever release in this series. The Samurai. Emerging in 12th century feudal Japan, these elite swordsmen lived by Bushido, the strict code of honor, discipline, and absolute loyalty to their master. Samurai armor was incredibly advanced. It was made of intricate lacquered steel plates, tied together with silk cords, specifically designed to deflect deadly arrows while keeping the warrior lightning fast. Moving on to the raiders of the north, the Vikings. From the 8th to the 11th centuries, these Norse seafaring warriors terrorized Europe with lightning-fast coastal raids, utilizing highly advanced longships that could navigate shallow rivers. Despite what Hollywood tells you, real historical Vikings never wore horned helmets into battle. That was a myth invented by 19th century costume designers. Now we hit the unstoppable horse lords, the Mongols. Led by Genghis Khan, the Mongol army became the dominant 13th century military superpower, conquering the largest contiguous land empire in human history, using psychological warfare and brilliant tactical retreats. Mongol horse archers could fire up to 6 deadly arrows a minute while riding at a full gallop, timing their shots perfectly for when all 4 of the horse's hooves were completely off the ground. Turning the page to the elite defenders of the Levant, the Ayyubids. Founded by the legendary Sultan Saladin in the 12th century, this highly organized Islamic empire successfully united the region and recaptured Jerusalem from the European Crusaders. The core of their military might relied heavily on Mamluks, elite slave soldiers who were bought as young boys, converted, and rigorously trained into a loyal, unstoppable cavalry force. Finally, the group that terrorized Rome, the Huns. Originating from the nomadic Eurasian steppes, these terrifying horse warriors invaded Europe in the 4th century under Attila the Hun, driving entire empires into panic. The Huns practically lived on horseback. Historical records state they ate, slept, and even conducted political meetings without ever stepping down from their mounts. Each coin has a strict, worldwide mintage limit of just 5,000 pieces. Which army wins your vote? Follow me for more detailed videos on these coins coming soon. Comment below and keep stacking.